Hey everybody, how are you doing? I am doing a fall haul, and this is from Amazon. And for Halloween I want to do, if you hear my dogs in the background, they're playing and I'm not going to stop because they're not going to stop and we're just going to have to listen. Anyway, so I ordered these autumn leaves, which I'm going to put on my fireplace, and it is battery operated, and I think these were $13 for two, a set of two. And I'll try to find where they are and just put the link, because I don't know what's happening to the store. I cannot find that one link that links you to everything, so I got to figure that out. Then I went ahead, because I want my Halloween decor, which it's not going to be a lot, but I want it to be a Hocus Pocus theme. Okay, let me move you back a little bit. And I got some cookie cutters for my fake bake. So this is the witch's hat, and I'll make this with salt dough, and I'll bring you along with me. And the new Hocus Pocus, you guys, is coming out September 30th. Here's the broom. Cute. Here's Mr. Binks, the black cat. Here's the cauldron. Isn't that cute? This is also from Amazon. And the witch's boot. How cute is that? And let's see. Baking for Everyone. This is from Lilio, L-I-L, I'll let you take a screenshot if you can, cookie cutters. And it's the new Halloween witchers, I don't know, here, in case I can't get the link up. Okay, so we have that. Then, let me just put, then I got two, I can't remember if it's two or one, pillows. Is it two? Yeah, it's two. Oh, for corn's sake, it's not two, it's four. I forgot. Okay, it's just a bunch of Hocus Pocus. These are big. Also Amazon. Oh, I like that. And it's nice material, guys. And then the black Sanderson Sisters Black Flame Candle Company, 1723. When I'm done, I'll bring the camera down and do kind of a panning of all of them. Salem Broom Company, finest quality enchanted besoms, 1692. And I believe these were $15 for all four of them. I believe it was either 15 or 16. And then the last one is Sanderson Sisters Brewing Company, Salem, Mass. Premium Witch's Brew. Very nice. And these are 18 by 8. So I will put a couple in my living room and a couple in my den. Because I just wanted some, just so you knew kind of what my decor was this year, you know what I mean? Because they don't have a lot. And then, let's see, this is, I believe these are two flags, and it's made from the same person, I believe, because it's the same material. Maybe it's just one, I don't know. Hold on. Okay. Oh, it is two. I put a spell on you, and now you're mine. Look, the Sanderson sisters, look. I smell children. Hocus pocus, dominocus. This was very inexpensive too. Look at this one. I love it. Very retro. I love black cats for Halloween too. I don't like the real gory. I like more of the cute. And especially now that Hocus Pocus is coming out, it's perfect. And it's on both sides. So you see it from both sides. Isn't that cute? Let's see, is that all I got from Amazon? Oh no, I got one other thing from Amazon. This came as a set. It's just a bunch of Hocus Pocus. And it's supposed to be books. And the cauldron, but I'm going to put some spackle and make it look more like icing. Stop by for a spell. And then this is the little wooden beads. And it has the Sanderson sisters, the logo, you know, the blonde and Bet, and I never can say the last one's name. But anyway, that's just kind of cute. Okay, so that's that. And then the other things that I do, I'll just try to incorporate some. I'm going to make a faux cake for this. And I have a couple ideas what I want to put on that, so you know it's a Hocus Pocus type deal. All right, the other thing that, the other place I went, okay, a haul from At Home. Sometimes they have some good stuff, and it's not really expensive. Other stuff is expensive. It's just a hit and miss. But for fall, I want to do more of these colors, and then I'll use these kind of leaves in with this color. Okay? But I do like having the white, because I'm going to also incorporate my Mackenzie child into this. Okay? So I got 5 of these, because one of these I'm going to take apart and put into my fireplace. Not in my fireplace, you know what I mean, how I put my flowers. So I got 5 bunches of these, and these were only $5.99 a piece, which is really good. Then I got these pumpkins, because these will work for Halloween and for fall. And I'll probably paint one of these a Mackenzie child check and leave one just cream and the other 2 black. And I like this color with what I'm doing because it's not the real orange. And these were $7.99, guys. Then I got 2 of the cream pumpkins, and I'll probably check one of them and leave one of them regular. These were only $5.99. And this, going along with the witch's theme, welcome my pretties, with the witch's hat with the green and the cream, which is going to go perfect. So yeah, that's what I got. That is my haul. And I got from Hobby Lobby, I just got some purple and green, because these are the colors with orange for my cake, the Sanderson's sisters cake. So that's it. Wanted to show you what I got. And until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. There's only one you, and you bring something to this world nobody else can. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.